Hi guys, this is the Blueair air filter I like to use inside my kitchen. I have an open floor plan, so my kitchen, living room, and dining room is all within one room. So every time I cook, I always get a lot of kitchen odor, and I also have a pet, so I get a lot of pet fur too. So this Blueair filter is like an industrial filter, and it really purifies my entire house. So I really love how powerful this is. It's super easy to use. Once you plug it in, it opens this flap with a lot of different controls. This is the Wi-Fi button. You can connect it to your iPhone and Android and control the system through your phone. This one is the power mode. So it has 3 different settings. Right now it's at 0. If you lightly press it once, it's 1, moderate, and high. So this one is a filter. It shows you how bad the air is. If it's blue, that means it's good. It changes colors depending on what your air quality is. And then this auto button means that it will automatically pick up how your air is, and depending on that, it will change the settings right here to either low, medium, or high. And VOC, this one senses smoke, kitchen odor, carbon monoxide odor, and then the PM 2.5 senses like dust, pollen, pet hair. So that's what these buttons are for. So once you're done, you can just close the flap like that. So the reason why I really love this is because it has wheels on the bottom, so it can easily move around like this. And then at the top is where the filter is located. So all you have to do is lift up this lid right here. And there are 3 different filters. This one is the dual protection filter. So it filters out the carbon as well as the particles. So this black part right here filters out the smoke, the kitchen odor. And then the back, it's the filter. So this one filters out all the dust, pollen, pet hair. So this is what that one's for. So you always want to face it downwards like this. And then on the side is where the other 2 filters are, like this. On the side is where the other filters are. And it's a dual protection, so it comes out like this. This one is a carbon, and this one's a particle. So, like this. So you always want the black part facing outwards, like this. So how this system works is it's going to draw in air from the bottom of the machine, and then it filter the air through the vents and through the filters and pushes it outwards, upwards, and sideways. So this one is super powerful, and I really love this one.